Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of blaze.ai, a platform that's been generating buzz in the content creation and digital marketing world. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a part of a marketing team, blaze.ai promises to revolutionize the way you create and manage content. In this video, we'll explore its standout features, the pricing plans, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion on its suitability for content creators. blaze.ai is an AI-powered content creation and marketing platform designed to help users generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. It's tailored for individuals and teams aiming to produce consistent, engaging content across various channels. The platform offers tools for content generation, for crafting blog posts, social media updates, ad copies, and more. For brand voice customization, this ensures that content aligns with your unique brand identity. SEO optimization. This enhances content to rank better on the search engines. Image generation. You can create visuals to complement your content. Content analytics. You can track performance and engagement metrics. And real-time collaboration. This allows teams to work together seamlessly. blaze.ai is particularly beneficial for those who want to streamline their content creation process without compromising on quality. It's like having a digital assistant that understands your brand and helps you communicate effectively with your audience. Now let us talk about the main features of blaze.ai. AI-powered content generation. blaze.ai can produce various content types, from blog posts to social media captions, tailored to your brand's voice and style. Brand voice customization. The platform analyzes your existing content to understand your brand's tone, the language, the complexity, and style, ensuring consistency across all outputs. SEO optimization. There are integrated SEO tools that help enhance your content's visibility by providing keyword suggestions, meta descriptions, and readability analysis. Image generation. blaze.ai can create visuals to accompany your content, making your posts more engaging and shareable. Content analytics. You can track how your content performs across different platforms, gaining insight into engagement, reach, and more. Real-time collaboration. Teams can work together within the platform, streamlining the content creation process and ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Now let us talk about the pricing. There are 4 different plans. There's the creator plan for people who are just starting their marketing journey at $34 per month. There is the pro plan for people who are expanding their marketing efforts at $49 per month. There is a team plan for small teams that are growing their content production and workflow at $79 per month. This is the most popular plan. And there's the agency plan for teams and agencies that are managing multiple brands. This costs $200 per month. Now, if you pay annually, you get a reduced prices for these plans. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons of Blaze. First, the pros. Comprehensive tool sets. It combines content creation, SEO, image generation, and analytics all in one platform. It has a user-friendly interface. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. The time efficiency. It automates various aspects of content creation, saving users significant time. And the customization. This allows for detailed brand voice settings that ensures that your content aligns with your brand identity. How about the cons? The learning curve. New users might need time to familiarize themselves with all the features. And as regards the pricing, it may be considered expensive for freelancers or small businesses who are on a tight budget. Limited advanced features. Some advanced functionalities are not available on Blaze, like extensive graphic design or video editing. So after exploring blaze.ai in depth, the big question remains, is it the right AI content creation tool for you? blaze.ai stands out in a crowded marketplace by offering a true all-in-one experience for digital content creators. So if you're running a personal blog, you're managing a business online presence, or you're handling multiple client accounts as an agency, Blaze is designed to reduce the time you spend on planning, on creating, and on optimizing your content. One of the biggest strengths of Blaze AI is how cohesive the entire system feels. You don't need to juggle 5 different tools for writing, editing, image generation, SEO, and analytics. It's all bundled under one intuitive dashboard. This makes it especially appealing for solopreneurs and small teams who want to move fast and stay organized. If you're someone who needs more advanced creative control, especially around graphic design, video editing, or long-form storytelling, you might find Blaze's feature a bit lame. It's excellent for short to mid-length content that fits into a structured format like blog posts, email campaigns, or social captions. But if you're building multimedia campaigns or storytelling heavy content, you may need to pair Blaze with other tools. And pricing may be another sticking point for some. But ultimately, Blaze AI is not trying to be a jack of all trades. It's trying to be the master of modern content workflows, and in that regard, it delivers remarkably well. And that's it on the review of Blaze AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Yoast SEO, All-in-One SEO Pack, and the SEO Framework. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.